Hello, everybody. It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. How you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys have been having a good week. Still trying to get myself back in the swing of things after all that's happened, and this is my attempt. So today, I'm going to review a video that people have asked. People have linked me. Excuse me, Andrew. He sent me that about this U.S. Air Force Lieutenant Colonel apparently doing the sovereign citizen thing, which is kind of insane to me. So I'm very curious about that. Mr. Crazy Person that we watched last Friday from Judge Simpson's court was back again today. I was linked the video of that today, and he's just as crazy as he was last time. And then finally, I might actually watch a frauditor video for the first time in what feels like years. Luckily, this individual's out in Canada, so there's not a whole lot of risk of retaliation, thankfully. You know how these guys are. But yeah, I cannot believe it's struggle, especially when they're active duty, like that other guy from the what's her face judge's court from Kansas. I forgot her name already. It starts with the Webster. Thank you, from Judge Webster's court. It's just, I don't know how you can be an active duty service and try and pull this garbage. But all right, welcome everybody. Welcome, Sean, 90, Nostalgia Nerd, Jake, Persnickety, Agent, Kova, Lizard, Sean, Bulldog, Mama, and Not Trudeau. Thank you. All right. Lizard, Liz D. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Liz D 2943. There you go.
Go ahead. Not at this moment. Good afternoon. Hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
No.
Why not?
All right, so.
Why are you detaining me?
I'm not detaining you, Colonel. I'm stopping you for doing 63 miles an hour in a 40-mile-an-hour zone. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Do you have proof of the speed?
Yes, I do. It's on my radar, ma'am.
May I see it?
No, you may not.
No. And he's not obligated to provide that to you at the stop.
227. Send me another unit. I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration.
Can I see the radar, please?
No, ma'am. You're not entitled to see my radar.
You're incriminating me on something, and you're saying that I'm not allowed to see.
Colonel, I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
I would like to see your supervisor.
Supervisor.
227. Can you send me a supervisor? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
When your supervisor comes, sir.
Oh, boy. Oh, I don't have anything. I've been going out to the bar. I knew this was going to make me drink, but I don't have anything other than straight liquor, and I'm not a... No, we're not doing that.
You also don't have a seatbelt on.
What is your badge number, sir?
1721. It's my permanent ID number.
And your name?
Deputy McKenzie, it's right here, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm reaching in my car.
Go ahead. Do you have the registered owner's information? (10-4), thank you.
I know she's Air Force. I'm trying to see if she's a full bird or a half bird. Looks like she's a colonel, but she could also be lieutenant colonel. And pretty sure doing something like this is Article 15. Oh no, no, that's not non-traditional. No. Oh, what's the? I forget what she'd be, obviously be disciplined on her own outside of the legal process, the civilian process.
Badge number again, please.
1721. 227. She's refusing to provide driver's license, insurance, and registration or roll her window down. Is there a reason why you sat at that green light for several seconds? Just sitting there, the green light?
No, not really.
Didn't want to make your turn? With a green arrow, you didn't want to make your turn? No?
Is there
My
something
God.
wrong about?
Sitting at a green light with a turn signal giving you the authority to pass through the intersection. Yeah, most people, when they get a green light, they drive.
Yeah.
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 I'm just curious.
Hi, baby. Both my parents are retired lieutenant colonels. Oh,
Hey, it's a lieutenant colonel.
Bird? Wow.
I had her doing 73 down there, and then in the 40 I had her doing 63. She sat at the green turn signal, and she's refusing to roll her window down or provide any documentation. And I figured, why not get you here before I rip her out of a car? Did you want to talk to her before I get her out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay. No, she didn't, but it's on the 14 from the registered vehicle.
Yes.
Are you gonna roll your window down all the way?
No, can you hear me?
I can't. Problem.
I don't know. Your officer stopped me. And he won't let me
Okay.
see the radar.
You stopped first. Well, if you want to see the radar, you have to step out of the vehicle so you can see it. It's not a handheld device.
I don't have to step out of the
And you do by Florida law. So I'm not going to argue with you. What's going to happen is you're either going to roll the window down and cooperate from here on out,
What are you detaining
or
me for?
right now you're impeding an investigation
I'm investigating for what?
for a traffic violation.
What was the traffic violation?
I already
Speeding.
explained to you, ma'am. You were doing
Okay,
63 in a 40-mile-an-hour construction zone.
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail. It's
And
that simple.
You're going to break my window and vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
you're going to go to jail
For what?
for not cooperating.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So
Sir,
you can
I'm
either just
traveling on my way home.
you can either go along with it.
Gas lock.
Okay. Right up until just now, in my head, I was thinking, this doesn't seem like a sovereign citizen thing. This just seems like a drunk entitled idiot who thinks she knows the law, like a roadside attorney.
And it's a lot more.
Hold on. I want to hear what she actually says here. While Serrana gets around here. Okay.
Cooperating.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So
Sir,
you can
I'm
either just
traveling on my way home.
you can either go along with it.
I'm traveling on my way home.
Gas lock.
Making this a lot more difficult than it has to be.
Sir, are you the supervisor?
Yes, I am.
I would like to see the captain.
Okay, well,
I like to see your
Well,
supervisor.
captain doesn't work right now, so I'm the best you're gonna get.
Hey.
You good?
Right now, so I'm the best you're gonna get.
You good?
So I'm asking you one more time: are you gonna cooperate, or are they gonna have to take you to jail?
Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're not cooperating. It's just that simple.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, but are you?
Oh my god. So, I'm sorry. Sorry. Failure to comply with a lawful order. How about that?
Refusing to provide all the documentation that you want, that you're supposed to provide.
I'm traveling.
Okay.
On my way home.
Okay, but the United States Supreme Court says that we can have you step out of the vehicle during any traffic violation, during any investigation. So you are violating the law. So you can argue with me all you want. In the end, you're incorrect and you're wrong. Whatever you learned on the internet, book is all incorrect. It's not the truth. It's not right. The Florida Supreme Court has said, if I tell you to step out of the vehicle on a traffic violation, you will step out of the vehicle. So that's what I'm ordering you right now. You either cooperate and step out of the vehicle right now, or they're going to break your window, unlock your door, open the door, and pull you out of the car. And instead of just cooperating and getting a traffic violation, you're going to spend the night in jail. So are you prepared to spend the night in jail? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail? Huh? Okay, break the window and take her out.
Yep, we're done.
Oh, that's...
Bam! Oh, wow. That was impressive.
Hey, that glass went in my eye! Hey! Knock it off! Knock it off! Are you fucking Freemasons? Hey!
Put your hands.
Hey! You cut my face and you broke my glasses!
My glasses! Sorry.
Can we have EMS come check our eyes out?
Yep.
You need to send an ambulance!
I just requested
He literally just did that.
it.
Glasses in my eye!
Yep. Just sit you up. On the glass. Just move her over to
Watch my glasses, sir!
You gonna stay here and be nice?
Sir, my glasses, and you...
Right there.
They're right behind you.
Okay. There's glass in
Yep.
my eye.
We've got an ambulance coming.
And there is no crime.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
god.
Oh yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant
Okay.
Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Ah.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Again, right up until about maybe 7 minutes, right before they busted the window, I was thinking to myself, this doesn't sound like a sovereign citizen. It just sounds like somebody who thinks they know the law, you know, jailhouse attorney. But now, oh boy.
You will be getting sued.
Okay.
And
She's
if
an Air Force dentist?
there is injury and scarring to my eye, you're going to be sued, sir. And you're going to lose your job.
It's okay. Yep.
You did?
No, you
How
can't.
many of you are Brotherhood members?
What the hell is that?
What the hell is that?
You a Freemason?
Nope.
Okay. All right. I did not have Freemason on my bingo card. That's for sure.
You sure?
Absolutely.
How about you?
Nope.
What's your name?
Deputy Casey.
Deputy Casey.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you under the influence of anything?
No, sir, I am not.
Is there a specific reason why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's incorrect.
Yeah.
It is not correct.
That's what I just said.
Sir, there's glass in my eye.
Yeah, and we have an ambulance coming to check you out.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm almost positive she might be under the influence of something. Just, there's no way. Shame, it's a nice car. You doing a vehicle inventory?
Yeah, she has a whole bunch of cash right here.
Whole bunch of what?
50s, 20s.
Okay.
She got receipts on them. Look at it.
I'll just go ask her. I don't want to touch.
Just go through her bag, make sure there's none of that. No drugs in there. Because she went
Right,
back in a
before it gets towed.
That's a lot of cash.
coffee. She has a couple vitamins and stuff. Acid reducer.
That's a lot.
That's all she's got, acid reducer.
That's a lot of cash.
Yeah,
Maybe she's a part of a booster club or something?
maybe. And then I saw on one of her checkbooks, there's a check paid through.
This will go with her.
$36,000.
This is gonna come. Are you part of a booster club, or?
No, sir.
I want to make sure this goes with you so you don't lose any of it, okay? Is this all there was that was in there? This is a lot, most people don't roll around with this kind of cash.
Sorry, I can't even see what you're doing.
Okay. I've got several stacks of money.
Yes.
Okay, we're inventorying your vehicle. Are you like a booster club president, or?
No, sir, that's my cash.
Okay. All right. We're going to make sure this goes with you, okay? And it'll be accounted for, and the jail will give you a receipt for all of the cash, okay? Go on.
Yes.
Yes.
So you searched my bag and you searched my car?
No, we're inventorying your vehicle because it's getting towed.
No, because you're...
I don't know why this awkward redaction thing. I can only assume it's because of her injury, but why they decided now to do that, and I don't know, not before. I don't know. But the very, very specific blur redaction is interesting.
As soon as your eye gets checked out, you're going in the back of my car and you're leaving. We are inventorying your vehicle before it gets towed.
Sir,
it will
it's
go to a tow
illegal
lot.
Seizure and
No.
search. It's
No.
illegal seizure
No, it's not.
and search.
Oh my God, I'm not taking this from you. I'm trying to make sure we have it all so that you get it back.
You are illegally searching my vehicle.
You know what? I'll just leave it in there.
It's not a search.
It's technically not a search according to SCOTUS. An inventory is not a search under the Fourth Amendment according to SCOTUS.
You just want me to leave it in there for the tow truck driver? Like a tip?
Sir, you had to go through a book bag to get the cash.
Oh,
Yes,
God.
to do an inventory of the vehicle, see if there's any valuable
Anyways,
possessions.
she didn't want to get out. Baton her window. She's got some glass in her face. Just want to make sure she's good to go before we take her up to jail.
Well, I mean, we can't say she's got glass in her eye.
Right. Well, like, you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to be following y'all to the hospital or whatever.
And may I have my phone, please?
Are you wanting to go to the hospital?
I would like to. So that the eye can be checked out. May I have my phone, please?
Not right now. It'll go with you when you go.
No, I would like my phone.
That's
I
not
have
how
a
it
right
works.
to contact.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
Okay.
No, it's, look, this is how you ended yourself in handcuffs.
You don't tell me how to cop.
Sir, you don't know how to cop. Where is my phone?
Where you last left it.
May I have the phone?
No.
No, you can
Yes,
wait.
sir. I have to call my commander.
That's
Yeah,
not
your
something
commander's
you
going to
call.
find out, all right.
I would like my phone to call my commander.
No.
Who's your commander? I might know him.
My
Here's the
phone.
deal. You're either going to get into the ambulance or you're going to jail.
Can you stop hollering, please, for just a second? Listen to me.
I would like my phone.
You are under arrest, which means all of your property goes with them. For now, you're under our medical care. You come with us. Your property is going with them, and then you have to be booked into jail and go through the process.
Ma'am, can I have my phone?
You cannot have your phone because it is their
I have a
property,
right to contact.
not when you are under arrest.
Oh, okay, this is starting to get aggravating.
I have a right to contact even during arrest, ma'am.
When you get to the jail,
Great.
when you get to the jail, you can
I would like
contact-
a phone.
For now, we're gonna get in the ambulance and go get your eye checked out.
I would like my phone to contact those, to
Okay.
contact my commander.
Well, they'll allow you to get phone numbers out of it when you get to the jail to make your.
Ma'am, I'd like my phone
It's
so
not
I can
gonna happen.
contact my commander.
If you want to get checked out by us and go to the hospital, then
You
come
gotta
with
get on the
us.
And I also would like my glasses.
You can get your glasses. Thank you.
Do you wanna go up this way or do you wanna go up the side where it's easier to get up?
We can help you up.
Arm is still
Can you make that
like
step?
this.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll come to this side, over here.
I would like my glasses and my phone.
We're getting your glasses.
We're getting your stuff.
I would like my glasses and my phone, please.
You're not getting your phone.
Why would you withhold my phone?
You can get it when you get to the jail. They'll allow you to get 5 phone numbers off of it. So once the booking process is complete, then you
I
can
have
make
a
your
right
call.
to make contact and call my commander.
You don't know the things that you are saying.
Ma'am, I have to call my
Not
commander.
a ma'am.
You will call your commander
Sure.
when you get to the.
Where are my glasses
We've got nursing
and my
staff
phone,
at the
please?
jail.
They do have nursing staff at the jail.
Because we're not getting anywhere.
Shit, I'll just take her.
They're just gonna call us to come transport her out to get x-rays to see if there's glass in her eyes. So we'll have to turn around and come back and get her and take her to the hospital.
Sir, where are my glasses?
Let's
Ma'am,
go.
I have your glasses right
Shut
here.
up.
I noticed you have a concealed weapons permit. Do you have a firearm in the vehicle?
No.
None? Okay, thank you.
May I have the glasses, please?
You can have your glasses in just a second. I'm gonna,
And I'd like
I'll
my
take
phone.
the glasses.
okay.
All right,
Hey, let's go
to the
ahead.
side.
Ma'am, I
Look,
can't
They're
see.
bringing you the phone.
I want to count this cash in front of her just to verify
Yeah.
its amount.
Well, she's going to tell you she can't see it. I already tried that.
Just carefully, this is going to go out. Yes.
Oh, real quick. We need a 5-minute break. I want to. Hey, shit! Oh, there goes my phone. Now it's my phone. Okay, we're good. It's alive. Okay, we're good. I'd like to thank one of my viewers, for sending a care package for Sarana, complete with box of churu for her, and squeeze ups, and then yet another cat toy, because you know what, that's what I need more is cat toys. I actually have 2 of these, but not this one. This one looks like a bigger version. Interesting. But the thing is, I didn't bring a lot of my cat toys with me in the initial move. They're all in the big stuff. They're in the pod that's supposed to be on its way. But so people can send me stuff. So yes, WCSX. Yeah, I know. YouTube converted you guys to freaking your usernames, so I may not recognize you. I back in New Jersey, I used to have a PO box for people to send me stuff, and then after when Archer needed medical treatment, I canceled it to save some money, and I haven't been able to get a PO box since. There's a select group of people that I trust who I've given my real address to, but I obviously, for obvious safety reasons, I don't want to give that out to everybody around. I mean, depending on the circumstances, I might, depending on how much it is, I might actually get another PO box here, if there's enough. I guess if there's enough demand for it. I'm not going to say no to gifts from viewers, whether it be even if it's nothing for me and it's all for Sarana. I'm perfectly fine with that. It's I think it was, what was it? Back in New Jersey, it's like $300 a year. I don't know how much it is here in Texas to rent one in my area. Anyway, moving on.
We're going to count this money in front of you so you can be sure that we're not taking any of it. I don't want your money. I don't need
Well,
it.
sir, you've already violated search
Just stop.
because you're
Just stop.
searching and seizure without any cause.
3, 45,
You're actually sheriffs.
47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, that's 570.
May I have my
1, 2,
phone to make
3,
contact, please?
573 in the first bundle.
Hospital or the jail?
You will get it at the jail. You will go to the hospital to get
Where
checked
is
out.
my phone so that I may make contact with representation and with my
3,
commander?
4, 5, it's another 500. Another 500 right here in 50s.
May
20,
I have
40,
a phone,
60,
please, so that I may
81,
make contact with
Another
my commander?
120s.
They've already told you now.
And
3,
you're
50,
detaining me with no crime,
4,
and you are detaining me
5,
with
another
no crime.
550s.
I'm not detaining you. I am an ambulance service providing you
20,
medical care for the glass
40,
in your eye.
60, 80, 100, another 120s, along with the receipts.
That can be handed to the jail when we get there.
Yep. There you go.
Are you going to go with them?
May I have my phone?
Stop it. Are
we
you going to go with them?
the Hospital?
You're
Yeah.
going in the ambulance
Walk with
this
us
way.
to the hospital.
May I have my phone, please?
Perfect.
Hello.
Hi.
All right, walk this
Nice
way.
of you to be here. She's going to get searched right quick.
Anything gonna poke me, stick me, anything?
Nothing should poke you, ma'am.
Anything illegal on you?
No.
Okay. You just have a shirt underneath here? Okay. Anybody want to give me a bag with a lot of stuff?
Thor, you got that plastic black bag with the glasses? Thank you.
We got it.
Oh, more cash.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's going straight from pocket into the plastic
God.
bag.
What is up with the exorbitant amount of cash?
That's a lot of cash.
May I have my phone, please?
What do you tell you?
I need to call my commander and gain representation.
You know, you think
You'll
for
find out when you're at the
Lieutenant Colonel,
jail.
You'll be able to follow instructions and
I
understand
think
what
you're
we're telling
doing
you.
unconstitutional things.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know how to police. You're not a sheriff.
Okay, dentist.
Do you have
Stick
any
to
health,
dentistry.
do you have any health problems?
No.
Do you take any
She has
medications?
an
No.
inhaler in her bag. Is that something you use?
Rare.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
What is that?
What is this?
That is probably an instrument.
Yeah, Matt, you can see that?
No needles on you?
No, ma'am. May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
You
You can make contact when
I
you're at
got
the
you.
jail.
Yep, I got you.
If you
Don't
want
wanna
to
get
just go
poked.
to jail and get checked out by medical there and make your phone calls, then you can do that.
That'd be the quickest way for you to get your phone.
Put it in.
Is
I
there
mean,
a reason
I
why-
can call
Okay,
command
yeah, you got
post.
gloves?
What are those?
Take that out.
Oh, that's makeup.
That's makeup.
Okay.
They're both makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Right? Makeup?
Yes, sir.
The only number I remember over there is the law enforcement desk.
I only
you-
know staff duty. That's it.
Can you contact the command post and contact my commander, please? Can you contact the command post and
The jail
contact
staff
my
will
commander,
take care of that
please?
for you.
Sir, you need to do it now.
No, I don't.
No, they don't.
You
They do not.
do work for me. You're a sheriff of the county, aren't you?
But she said that you weren't a sheriff.
I know. The county just used it.
Do you have the ability to give me my phone so that I can make contact?
You still need lights?
I'm good right now.
Okay.
Just a ton of pockets. Challenge coin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where
Sir,
would you guys
as
be
a
taking it?
soldier, as an airman in the United States Air Force, you
Stop.
must
Shut up.
contact my
Shut
commander.
up.
The jail staff will do that.
You must contact my commander.
Stop it. Where will you guys be taking her?
You work for the people of the
Police
United
Hospital.
States.
Okay. You're gonna want me to follow?
Yeah.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
You can use it at the
my
jail.
commander and with representation.
At the jail.
Alright, like punches.
May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
At the jail.
And I notice that your cameras are off. That's interesting.
running.
See, it's red.
And guess what?
Red is on.
Why do they always think that the cameras are? I guess they assume that in order for the camera to be on and recording, that there has to be like a light on.
The fact that they record 24/7.
That's excellent.
24/7. They're
excellent.
recording.
May I have my phone
At the
to
jail.
contact my commander?
About your
At the
phone,
jail.
lady.
Do you have anything in your boots?
There's nothing in my boots.
Okay. What he was explaining is if you have anything else on you, when you get to the jail, it's an additional charge for introducing contraband. Do you understand?
So if you have something on your person, needle, knives,
Instruments.
I have my phone to contact my commander.
Oh my God.
No, that is your work policy. That is not our policy. You will do it at the jail.
It is not lawful to detain an individual without being able to contact anybody.
You don't know what the hell you're talking about. You don't know what the hell you're saying. What you just said doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Are you going to go with them? Okay. I will be following you guys.
Okay. We're gonna need the cuffs switched to the front when we get her in.
That's fine.
Can you walk this way?
No, I haven't, Ed. I really still want to. I still want to see it though.
Perfect. Michelle, I'm going to request that you submit to a lawful test of urine for the purposes of determining the presence of chemical or controlled substances. Will you take the test?
No.
No.
No. Okay. If you refuse to take the test that I've requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privileges have been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test that I've requested of you, and your driving privileges have been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, blood, or urine, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test that I'm requesting from you is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse to submit to the urine test?
Am I blocked from driving?
You
He just said your license could be suspended.
Because I don't take a urine test?
Your license will be suspended for a
Will
period
be.
of 12 months.
Can be. Will be suspended for a year if you refuse.
If it was previously suspended.
No. It's 18 months if it was previously suspended. You can read it. It's right there.
Well, without representation, I
Implied consent.
don't know how to answer this.
It's real. So here's the thing: when you get issued a driver's license,
Right.
you have to sign for it. It's called implied consent. And when you sign that, it basically says, "Yes, I agree to supply blood, breath, or urine as a part of lawful investigation," which is what this is. So,
It's unlawful investigation, but go ahead.
okay. So, do you refuse to take the test or not?
I don't understand the instructions.
Okay. I'm requesting that you take a urine test. We have these lovely little things
What
here.
I'm asking you specifically is by refusing this. I've actually taken 2 of these just last week.
Okay.
Okay, on base. Refusing with you to do this.
Correct.
Does that mean I can't drive a car?
Yeah, your license will be suspended. Now that this is the first time, right, you'll get a 10-day, what do you call it?
And then where is this tested?
FDLE, Florida Department of Law Enforcement, actually gets shipped out.
So it leaves everybody's hands and then goes...
Yeah, it gets taped up, it goes into a refrigerator in our evidence, then they get it out and it gets shipped to FDLE.
I really trust that with what's happened tonight so far.
Oh my God.
And not doing this means I can't drive a car.
Correct. Your driving, like I said, your driving privileges will be suspended.
Even though it's never been happened before?
And it says, look, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal. 18 months if it has been suspended previously. So this is your first time, and maybe you're suspended for 1 year.
All right.
Are you willing to take these tests?
Teacup.
Okay. I will have to do this with you because, right. Come on.
What a piece of work. All right, let's go to the Mr. Crazy, who has a hearing with Judge Simpson again.
Okay, let's do it. Where's Mr. Brown? Okay. And Miss Constantine, you might want to move out of the way there.
Oh, sorry.
So, no, you can stay there if you want. Did you have the paperwork? Oh, you're bringing it. Okay. Court does call the case. People versus Joshua Wara.
Trevor Mabel for the people here.
We are ready in this matter. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, being with and on behalf of Mr. Wara. Mr. Wara, state your name for the record.
Joshua Wara.
All right. And this is the date and time I had set preliminary examination in this matter. My understanding is you would like a forensic evaluation.
That is correct, Your Honor. Based on my conversations with Mr. Wara.
Forensic evaluation for what? What's going on here?
Based on my conversations with Mr. Wara, I believe that it is necessary.
Hey, I'm representing myself. What are my charges? What am I in here for? I'm representing myself. I don't need a barcode to represent myself.
Ooh.
What am I in here for? What charges am I on here for?
You say barcode? Nice.
I don't need a forensic exam. I'm not mentally disabled.
Hi, baby.
I have ADHD and PTSD. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not on Social Security.
Sir, you are before the court on a felony complaint that alleges that on or about, as I read to you before, October 15, 2025, location of South Main Street and East William Street in the city of Ann Arbor, Washington County, state of Michigan, that you did fail to stop at the scene of an accident resulting in serious impairment or death. Individual.
The guy was
That is a
perfectly fine.
felony. That is a felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and a $5,000 fine plus court costs. You do understand that, sir?
I understand that. Thank you,
All right,
Mr.
count two on that complaint alleges that on that same date and at that same location that you did commit a moving violation causing serious impairment of a bodily function. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand that.
All right, so that is what you are here for.
Mr. Simpson, I'd like to subpoena the camera footage from the mobile gas station there on North Main Street that I was at, or on South Main Street where I was at, over on South Main Street in Maynard. My car was parked there the whole time. I accidentally hit the guy. They hacked the light using an AI.
Sir, Mr. Warren, I'm going to suggest to you this.
So he said at the same time his car was parked the whole time, and then he admitted that he accidentally hit the guy, but it was because an AI chatbot hacked the stoplights.
Refrain from saying anything because anything you say can be used.
Oh, I know. They used an AI ethical hacking app, the Tomboys and the Ku Klux Klan, and they had broken my glasses when I wasn't. They took my car for a joyride and broke my glasses while I was at St. Joe's Hospital.
The Klan did?
Huh? Yeah, the Ku Klux Klan. You can subpoena video records, and I subpoena the security guards from St. Joe's Hospital, Trinity Hospital.
That's one of the reasons, sir. That's one of the reasons why you have an attorney. Did you let them know that?
No, I don't have an attorney. I told them I don't want anybody to represent. I said I'm representing myself. Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, I would like to do that.
Sure.
And I would like to subpoena the camera footage from the mobile gas station.
Now
on
knowing
Maynard,
what the
South
charges
Maynard.
are, sir.
I mean, I would generally agree, Jake. Like, this guy is not within the same world that we are in right now. And when you kind of think about that, and you're not aware that you're not in the same world as everybody else, it's kind of frightening. If you start to think about it.
That if you elect to represent yourself, you'll be held to the same standards as an attorney would regarding the rules of evidence and procedure in the courtroom.
Yes, Your Honor, I
And
understand
would
that.
not be shown any favoritism.
Yes, and I would like to subpoena my discovery
If at some
packet,
point in
please.
time you wish then to be represented by counsel, you need to make that request to the court.
Okay, I've
to
tried
do
calling the
that.
public defender's office and I've tried to tell them I want to represent myself. And I've tried to subpoena my discovery packet and they won't bring it to me. I need to subpoena my discovery packet for all cases available, please.
All
And I would like,
cases
yep,
only
and I
have
would like to
one. You have
also
more than one?
subpoena everybody's address in the MDOC that's involved in the Neuralink case through Secretary of State, phone numbers, text messages, and visual voicemail records. And I would like to subpoena the phone recordings, Securus GTL recordings from when I was in the MDOC at ARF level 4. And WCC pictures and.
Sir, I've listened to you both through the last hearing and this hearing. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm not going to relieve the public defenders, but I am concerned, while you have indicated to me that you don't need a forensic evaluation, the court, in listening to you, does believe that you would need a forensic evaluation.
No, I'm
For your
perfectly fine,
own-
Mr.
sir,
Simpson.
Sir. For your own
I'm not on Social
protection and
Security.
preservation of your rights.
I'm not on Social Security. I'm over the age of 25. I'm not mentally disabled. I do not need a forensic.
And sir, here's the thing.
I do not
I
go
have
to the forensic center.
I have to, in terms of these proceedings, make sure that you are competent and.
Oh, I'm
conducting
very
no
competent, Cedric Simpson. You can tell. I'm very intelligent. I have a GED. I got a GED in 2013 in 3 months.
All right.
Wow.
I got a GED from Washington Community College Adult Transitions Program in less than 90 days.
Wow, he got his GED in less than 90 days.
In 2013, you can subpoena that record. If someone can get a GED in less than 5 months, I'm pretty sure they're competent. And I would like to subpoena my GED from the Adult Transitions Program in 2013 at Washington Community College.
Subpoena. I will not relieve the public defender at this
Surrounded,
point.
how am I
but
going to be
I will consider certainly that once the.
Thank you. Yeah, that way, if you see I got a GED from WCC in 2013 in 3 months, you know I'm competent. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Judge.
I am going to order a forensic evaluation. I will set a competency hearing just to make sure. I'm going to set that for January 29th, 2025.
January 29th.
AM. I will sign an order to.
Can you give me a
effect
PR
at
bond,
this
please,
time.
Judge?
I'm sorry.
Can I please, I would like to request a PR bond.
This time you can file a motion, or somebody can file a motion before the court, and I'll consider a written motion, but at this time I'm not going to change the bond in this case.
What is the bond?
Currently, your bond is set at $25,000 cash sure.
Do you have any bail bondsman numbers for me that I could get a hold of, please?
Sorry, don't
I'd
keep those.
like to subpoena a bail bondsman phone
Check
number.
with the individuals at the jail. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to assist you in that.
This little girl.
All right. So that you understand, I'm leaving the public defender on the case at this point.
No, I don't want a
Get
public
the
defender.
evaluation. I hear you, but I'm telling you what I'm doing. We will get the evaluation. I suggest that you be cooperative.
It's a hit and run. Was
Maybe
one of the
write it, come
charges.
back competent, and then we can get this proceeding moving even quicker.
Not gonna come back, huh? Y'all gonna try to.
Before we go off the record.
Y'all corrupt as hell. Y'all fucked up, people. Y'all people fucked up. Y'all.
Okay, keep moving. All right, been a pleasure.
I'm Benjamin Franklin's son.
Me too.
I just want to.
Because Paris is lovely in this one.
I just want to address one thing, Your Honor, relating to the prosecutor's office's responsibility of providing discovery as we move forward in this case. The defendant, in attempting to represent himself at the PCC on Thursday last week, stated that he didn't need an attorney, he didn't want an attorney, and that he didn't need the discovery either, that he knew what was going on, and that he wasn't worried about having all the video prior to today's hearing, and we were prepared to proceed today. At the same time, under normal circumstances, we would be in the process of getting all of that video discovery to defense counsel that he referenced wanting today. mentioned wanting the video at the intersection. My office is in the process of getting that, hopefully before the weekend. And I'm looking for permission to provide discovery to Mr. Brown's office on this file moving forward.
In response, Your Honor, as we are still on the case, I would ask that they provide discovery as they normally would.
And then if
Okay, I've tried calling the public defender's office and I've tried to tell them I want.
All right, that was Serrana's fault. She did that.
I just want, my office is in the process of getting that, hopefully before the weekend. And I'm looking for permission to provide discovery to Mr. Brown's office on this file moving forward.
In response, Your Honor, as we are still on the case, I would ask that they provide discovery as they normally would.
And then if in January, depending on what happens, then certainly that information can be tendered either if he's going to represent himself, which he may be entitled to do, then the public defender can turn it over to the prosecutors we have in other cases can supply it directly to him.
Understood.
All right. Thank you.
All right. This is going to be the last one. I don't have the link. I know where it is. Gotta go on the old Reddit. Where's the sovereign citizen? Over here. Yeah. All right. Post this on the YouTube. All right. So, I don't know if many of you guys are aware, but some states, I don't know how many precisely, but some states actually operate their own liquor stores. That's apparently the same thing here in Canada, or at least in this province. Yeah, I think it's British Columbia. And like I said, New Hampshire is one of the states that operates its own liquor stores. And this guy believes that because this is a publicly owned venue, that he is allowed to walk in, record anything and everything that he wants. So, Ontario. Oh, Liquor Control Board of Ontario. Okay, my bad. Sorry.
We are at the LCBO It's a very windy day today. The stars pretty big compared to the orange head. Let's go in and check it out. So that guy just turned around. I wonder if maybe it's not even open yet. It might be too early. Oh, so Sundays it opens at 11. So we're gonna have to come back in a little bit. It's 10 after 11 and we're back at the LCBO. It looks pretty busy for having just opened.
Yeah, well, I mean, New Jersey also has ABC, but New Jersey ABC doesn't operate its own liquor stores or beer stores.
And this place isn't too far from the South Porcupine OPP, which we just went to, and we came back. Let's go. We got in-store security.
Yes, he is auditing a publicly owned liquor store.
How's it going today? Yourself. Sneak by you. Just the shelving in the store is nicer than the shelving in Chablo.
We're not going to go through all this. This is 45 minutes long, so we're going to wait until like he first gets confronted. Oh my god. Serrana is currently being a cat, as you can see. You know, Archer and Winston were never big into boxes. Serrana has been all about boxes, so obviously that's her new favorite toy. Alright, where's the
Show.
It's a private store.
Okay.
You need prior permission before recording.
Okay, so you're saying LCBO is a private store. There's no recording inside.
Yeah.
Your English is not that good.
No, I'm saying you need a prior permission if you want to record that.
Do you have some kind of law, some kind of bylaw, some kind of policy written that you could show me? Because there's no signs that say no recording. But while you're here, let me ask you. Domestic beer, right? Buy Canadian? Why are they all empty?
They're refilling it. They're restocking it.
They're restocking it?
Yeah.
I see. What's on the other side here? That's international? Oh, but buddy, you're not going to get me to stop recording, right? You should just go back to work. What am I looking for?
Thank you for the 45 months. Oh my god, I'm gonna get copyright struck thanks to this idiot. Doing absolutely nothing.
You ask, do I have the authority to be recording? That's a good question.
That's what I'm asking.
The answer is yes.
Permission? Do you have any license to record over here?
Yes to all of them. And you are currently disturbing me.
Can I see you? Like
Why?
If you have...
Let's see your guard card.
I can show you my electronic
Let's see it.
license.
Let's see your guard card.
I'm asking, do you have any authority over here?
I asked you for your guard card.
Okay, I don't know what the purpose of this conversation.
We understand how the law works, right? The law. Hey, listen to me. The law says he has to present his ID to me.
No.
He demanded mine. I don't have to give anybody anything. He, on the other hand, please call the police. Buddy, the law says you need to present your license. Look. Cash register, product on the cash, payment in my pocket. No, now you have to call the police. Once you threaten to do something, I can't leave until it's done.
You're walking all over this court filming everybody. It was
Yes,
just like,
and I would
what's
like you
going
to call the police now.
on?
Yes.
This is all you want.
No, call the police.
Okay, so I don't understand what you're doing here. But
You've threatened me.
I did not threaten you.
You
I
have
just-
threatened
I
me
have
with the
instruction. You're
use
not allowed
of
to be doing
violence
it.
and physical force. So by all means, go through with your threat and call the police. This is going to be an educational matter. Call the police. And you, I need your guard card.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to leave. I don't understand what you're doing.
I'm asking you to call the police. When the police arrive, I will leave.
Okay. Is there anything else I can help you with? I'm gonna call the police.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm sorry. I just don't understand what you're doing here. I don't understand.
I'm a private citizen. I don't need to explain myself to anybody, but I was cordial. I was waiting to pay. And you guys...
If you want help in the fridge and you...
Well, excuse me, ma'am. Were you in the fridge?
No.
Because my camera was in the fridge. Right?
Okay, I don't understand what you're doing here, sir.
I need to see your guard card, my friend.
I can show you a guard card, but
I need your guard license.
I don't want to be recorded.
Do you know the law? If he's a guard here and wants to ask me anything, demand anything out of me, he needs to identify himself, which includes producing his guard card.
That's what I'm saying. I can show you, but I don't want to be recorded.
I don't care. Who owns the LCBO? Do you know the owners? Because I have permission from the
You gotta
owners.
think of the 99-cent sticker. All right.
Right?
Moving
Do you
on.
have permission from the owners to be doing what you're doing?
I have the permission to be.
I mean, yeah. I would hope so. And not he's just impersonating a guard, which would be even more embarrassing than impersonating an actual cop.
Do you have permission to refuse to give up your guard card?
I don't think a security guard is under any obligation to provide their... All right.
Also, but I don't want to give because you've been recording. I don't want to.
Bring this today. You in public.
Yes, we do have officers attending at the LCBO. Do you have any updates?
No, just that I don't have all day to wait for them. All alone today, no backup?
Not yet.
You're not gonna get very far.
Why is that?
Everyone has backup. What are you gonna do alone, man?
Well, Consuelo Velasquez, Timmins Police. I'm just here responding to a call. I guess you're recording people in the store?
Can I get your badge number?
Yeah, 416.
Who told you I was recording people in the store?
Security said you were recording in the store, correction.
So Mr. Security, who tried to give me orders and has yet to produce his guard card, making false reports is bad.
Oh my God.
We know this, right?
Sorry, what?
Did I record people in the store?
Oh, I might have misspoken there, but you said you're recording in the
Oh, so now you may have been mistaken. So we don't do any due diligence in this world, right? Someone says something, we go make accusations.
All right, I hate
It's
this
just how
guy.
we work, right?
All right, I hate this guy. I really don't like this guy. The insufferable, smarmy, unearned ego that this guy has is killing me.
Okay.
So is there anything I can help you with?
Well, yeah, we're just wondering why you're recording in the store, if we can help you with anything.
Can I help you with anything?
Well, sir, as a
No, you.
private business, they don't feel comfortable with you loitering in the store, recording it?
I was not loitering. I was a client. They threatened to call the police, and now I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay, that's number one.
Sure.
Anything else I can help you with?
Yes, can I get your name and date of birth, sir?
No, thank you. But how about we start with, is it unlawful to record inside an LCBO?
So I guess you're one of the police auditors, I'd imagine?
Yeah, he knows.
Who owns the LCBO?
Sir,
Does
what's
the-
the purpose of you being here recording today?
Does the LCBO have a contract to serve the public?
I don't know what their contract is, sir.
Is there a sign or a policy or a
Oh my
bylaw
God.
or a law?
Serrana
that would
is like,
prevent
give
from
me.
recording?
I'm trying to put the toy together, and Serrana's like, give me the f***ing toy. Give it to me right now. I'm trying to put it together. All right. Hold on. All right, right here. All right, it's on. All right, go get it. Serrana, go get it.
I already brought my alcohol to the counter.
Okay.
Was refused service.
Okay. Is there any reason why he can't be served for his alcohol?
Because they've decided that recording is not allowed.
Okay, well, in and itself, recording is not against the law.
Mr. Guard, You know what is against the law, though?
Oh
You
my
not
God.
providing me with your guard card after having given me orders.
You have a guard card, sir? Why just provide it to him?
Is that law? No, it may be law in Canada.
Okay, so that is far from being a guard card. I've been a security guard for a decade. You carry a license with you.
That's a digital license. That's what we are authorized to provide to the member of the team.
Adya Shubham.
It's Shubham Adya.
Can you say it one more time? Shubham? You. 659.
Being annoying.
I've been refused service, so.
Okay. Do you know if he's been refused service?
Once you've refused service, I was no longer a client.
Okay, sir. So obviously you aren't interested in buying alcohol. Looks like you're just trying to create a police interaction. At this point, they're asking you to leave.
You guys are bright, right? You're very fast at assumptions, no due diligence, no asking questions. You believe you know what's happening, and that's all that matters is your belief. So I think I've had about enough of speaking with you.
You're being trespassed.
And I am going to ask you to leave, please.
No, I'm not leaving.
You've been dismissed.
Oh, he does the honor thing. Oh, you've been dismissed.
If you are going to unlawfully trespass me, then I will be required a written trespass warning.
Okay, well, we can get one for you, but we're going to be escorting you off the property, okay, sir?
I'll be escorted off the building or property once I get my written trespass warning.
Okay. Do you guys have a written trespass warning here? Do you guys have a written document?
You do understand that you are violating the civil rights right now.
Okay.
So you do due diligence
What's
and
your
to
name, sir?
read the trespass property act.
So,
Actually, you
what's
could
your name
trespass
and date of birth?
an anonymous person.
Okay.
I mean, under threat of arrest, I will provide my ID. So have you here?
I'm not. What's your name and date?
If you want any,
Today.
if you want
I'm at a
cooperation from me, you will take one step back.
Okay, I'm not moving from here, sir. What's your name and date of birth?
You will take one step back.
Okay. Give me a second.
So this is his desperate attempt to regain control and have some sort of power over the officer. Is like this conditional: take one step back, and I'll cooperate.
I told you that under threat of arrest, I would cooperate. I asked you to take a step back, and I would cooperate. So don't call me non-cooperative. Get it to me.
I'm just gonna. I don't have one on me. Okay, they're gonna prepare one for you.
And how are you gonna get it to me?
I'm just gonna take you right outside the building here, so I'll get it for you. Are you gonna come out with me?
Bring me my written trespass warning, and again, don't touch my stuff.
I'm arresting you.
Under threat of arrest, I will give you my ID. I've already said that.
I told you I was
You
gonna
need to
arrest
understand how
Sir,
cooperation works.
Pass me your ID. I
Okay,
told you already.
now you are in my face. You've assaulted me. You've touched my
I
face.
did not assault you.
So you were, yes, you did.
Are you giving me your ID, sir?
This is called a body camera.
I know what you're recording me. I understand that.
So you understand that you've just assaulted me.
I did not assault
my
you.
God.
Yes,
Do you have your ID?
assaulted me.
Okay.
Under threat of arrest.
7, 12, 10.
Now please get me my written trespass warning so
I'll
that
get
I
it
can
for
take you to
Let's
court.
go.
Don't
Leave.
touch me.
Let's go. I'm going to arrest you.
Stop assaulting me.
You're failing to leave as directed, okay?
Bro, you are failing to read the Trespass Property Act. You have violated civil rights. You have assaulted me today. You have violated yourself as cooperated. I've asked you for my written trespass warning.
I will get you one, but I'm telling you we have to leave this building right now.
Somebody get me my written trespass warning.
Okay. So you're not cooperating for trespass?
Do not
Here,
touch me.
Let's go.
Don't let go of me.
Sir, let's go. You're not cooperating. Let's
You
go.
need
Walk
to
out of the
stop
building.
assaulting me. That is about the third. You need to understand that not cooperating is not a
You're
crime.
failing to leave as directed, as per the trespass.
You're failing to understand that you are outside of your authority. I am
outside my authority.
exercising activities protected by civil rights, and the Trespass to Property Act does not give you the permission. Now I've asked you for my written trespass warning.
We'll get you one.
Let's get it right now. In my hands, right now. Off the property, now in my hands, right now.
Okay. You're being arrested.
Do not touch,
Let's
dude.
go. Hands behind your back.
Let
You're being
go of
arrested
me.
for
Oh,
trespassing.
well, there
Let
it is,
go of
finally.
Behind your back, sir.
I am not trespassing in any way. Yeah, I'm not trespassing in any way.
You're not leaving.
Bro, I gave you my ID. I
Oh, you're
cooperated.
not being cooperative.
I cooperated. Turn my camera around. I have the right to be recorded.
You'll be recorded in the back of my car, sir.
Turn the camera around.
Okay, you're being arrested.
Do not touch,
Let's
dude.
go. Hands behind your back.
Let go.
Oh, he's got. Oh, well, of course, he's a First Amendment auditor. Of course, he has like multiple cameras running.
Me. Let go of me.
Behind your back,
I am not
Put your
trespassing
camera
in any way.
Put your camera
Yeah,
down.
I'm not trespassing in any way.
You're not leaving.
Bro, I gave you my ID. I
No, you're not
cooperated.
being cooperative at all.
I cooperated.
Hey, Milas, I got the
Turn
stuff.
my
Thank
camera
you.
around. I have the right to be recorded.
You'll be recorded in the back of my car, sir.
Turn the camera around, dude.
Please under arrest.
Yo, you're gonna break my camera.
Go in, sir. Move it over.
Pick up my camera, please. Now, this is unlawful. I'm exercising my freedoms.
50, so you're the
I
24 months.
cooperated and I left the building. Do you notice how he arrested me once I walked out the building? Not inside the building. I
No, you're
was.
not cooperating.
Yes,
You're going
this
away.
guy is assaulting me nonstop.
I'm not assaulting you.
Yes, he is. Not right now, because now you've engaged your thing. But in there, he was. He grabbed my camera. I asked him to take a step back, and I give him my ID, and he didn't want to step back. That's not how the trespass property works, though. If you read the statute, it says anyone who is not acting under a right or authority. No, I don't. It says anyone who is not acting under a right or authority.
What are you doing in there? Are you shopping? Are you buying anything?
I was shopping. Then when I got to the cash, they refused me service because of the camera, and they told they would call the police. So I said, okay, I will wait. Then I spoke to this guy. I explained myself. Under threat of arrest. Now I've been asked once I was out. You're on camera. I'll need your sergeant. No, I don't. Yeah, keys and a wallet on the other side. I will need your sergeant and the staff sergeant to meet me at the detachment immediately, please.
Okay.
It's not a request. Can you hit lock?
Okay, grab a seat, all right?
I will need my camera. I have the right to be recorded.
I'll get your
No, I have the right.
You're going to be recorded. Just turning on. I'll move it. Okay. Oh, it's too tight. So what do you want to do? Set up a camera in the LCBO and record everyone?
I was done, bro.
Listen. You're not listening to me, okay? The staff told you multiple times they didn't want you at their business, okay? And then I told you to leave. You did. No, you did right in front of me. Okay. Well, I did on their behalf after they told me that they told you to leave. Okay. So we're working on getting you that written trespass notice, okay? Okay, you just want to debate this. You don't even want to hear my side, all right?
Bro, you're not listening to my
Okay.
side. If they didn't ask you to leave, there's no such
Piranha's
What was
currently
your purpose
enjoying the
of
toy.
being there? You just wanted to create a police interaction.
You'll get
I know
to
what
see
you're
yourself
doing.
online.
I
No,
know.
you don't know. You assume
I know
that
exactly
you know
what you're doing.
I don't care about you.
Okay.
I didn't want to wait for you.
So what do you want to do? Set up a camera in the LCBO and record
I
everyone?
was done, bro.
Until they called the
okay,
police?
Do you really want to know what I want to do?
Yeah.
First off, it's 5 minutes. You can watch my video. No, I walked the shelves. I noticed that the domestic beer shelves in the back are empty. And what I was looking for is what's on the shelf today compared to what was on the shelf a few months ago. As you understand, they took all American products off the shelf, right? But it's more than just that. I'm under a legitimate investigation, bro.
For what?
I am a private investigator, investigative journalist. I'm
Investigate. Of course he is. Of course he's an investigative journalist.
What's on our shelves? What's on our shelves? And why are domestic beer empty?
Well, Michael,
it's not just here. It's in every LCBO.
You're not being cooperative or forthcoming
Hey,
with us
Tones.
at all. You're being
Dude,
very
I don't. I'm a private
confrontational.
citizen.
They asked you to
I
leave.
am not being
I asked you
confrontational.
to leave.
I
asked
have
you to
the video.
identify.
Everything is
Okay.
on video. Everything is on
Sounds
video.
good, man.
I am absolutely professional. Please
All right.
give me my arrest citation.
I
or
will.
whatever
I'm
it
going to
is.
be moving you to. Where's your car parked?
Right there. Doesn't matter. Just
Which one? Sorry.
Give me my arrest citation. That thing right there, right?
What's that?
Right there.
The black truck or
The red.
the red SUV? Yeah. All right. We'll be dealing with that shortly. Okay. Have his camcorder and stuff out for me, please.
All right. I'm not gonna listen to the rest of their chatter after the arrest. So he's a moron. He thinks he has a case because of course he does. But people in the comments are already like ripping on him, which is good to see. I would say about half, or maybe even a little bit more than half of the comments are against him. So, nature is healing. But all right, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna call it here. Thank you as always. I'm gonna try and stream a bit more this week, so maybe tomorrow and Thursday. But for sure, it's gonna be Friday. Serrana is currently having a blast. Yeah, at the very least on Friday for Halloween. So for maybe a spooky stream, 50% off all jump scares, all that jazz. All right, take care, guys. Have a good one. Thank you. Appreciate you guys, and have a good night. See ya.